Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So, I'm not sure what's gonna happen in this vlog. Like, I have so many little bits and pieces of stuff that I have vlogged over the past couple of days, and I'm not sure. Hang on a minute, I gotta figure out where. I gotta turn on my navigation. Face match. Okay. Let's see, how do I do this? Is there anybody behind me? No. Okay. I think I'm gonna go this way. Okay. So I am going to be a rebel, and I'm not gonna follow the directions of my GPS because I think I'm actually closer to where I need to go this way. So what's on the agenda? So anyways, I am gonna be flipping every which way. I haven't vlogged in forever. I've started vlogs a few times. I've showed bits and pieces of some things. So I just thought I would come on here, give a little chit chat, let you know what's going on. Oh, I hate seatbelts like that. Let you know what's going on today. So today, I'm actually recording a video. I'm in the process of recording it. Of me testing out the Walmart grocery shopping pickup experience. I was doing a live stream the other day right after I got through doing it, and I was real excited because it was simple, easy. I even saved more money because I found a coupon code, and then I used my Ebates and I got even more percentage off. So it was, all in all, it was a really, really good experience. Now, what's gonna happen with the groceries that I actually have to pick up? Like, did they give me expired product? You know, does the meat look good? Like, I ordered vegetables, I ordered meat, I wanna make sure I got the right eggs that I ordered, you know, that kind of thing. So I'm doing this full, like, review video over on the main channel. So if you are not subscribed to the main channel, head on over there. I will leave it linked in the card above. So first on the agenda today is testing out this Walmart grocery pickup. Okay, number two is 2 days ago, I believe it was, I did a live stream giving away a Legend planner. And I did a quick walkthrough, flip through of this planner on a live stream. And I have to tell you that it is just absolutely amazing. I was so impressed with it, honestly, that I am seriously thinking of switching things up for April 1st and using this new planner. And that's the beauty of it, is because it's undated. And if you are interested in actually getting in on the opportunity to win one of these Legend planners, go back over to that live stream. I will leave the live stream linked in this vlog below. There's still a few days available to be able to submit a entry into the giveaway. And if you want to know how to enter, I'm gonna ask you to watch the live stream. So no spoilers, there is something specific that I'm looking for, and so head over to the live stream and enjoy the chat. If you want to, you know, fast forward it if you want to, but at some point in time in the live stream, I say what you have to do to actually enter the giveaway. Anyways, I'm gonna pop off here for now, and because I need to kind of pay attention to my GPS. I have an idea where this Walmart is, but I'm not that, I don't normally go to the Walmart that's in this area. So yeah, but if it's pretty close by and it's something where I can take advantage of this cart shopping and just buzz over and have them put it in my trunk of my car, like, that's a win-win for me. So anyways, I will check back with you guys soon. Oh, baby, turn some pages. I'll be here when you are ready to roll with the changes. I have no idea where this Walmart is. So I just updated the main channel. I actually went the wrong way. I thought I knew where it was. I thought it was more towards this other area.
In 800 feet, turn right.
Okay, so I'm here. My guidance is telling me I'm basically here. I will check back with you soon. So guys, that was like a really, really good experience. Make sure you check out the video that I have over on the main channel with this. The lady, I think I'm going to be blurring out her face because she didn't know that I didn't really know that she was going to sit there and chit chat with me. I don't know if you actually can see her face or not, but I will make sure I blur out her face or whatever. But she gave me a lot of good information and a few good tips on being able to place the order and, you know, things to keep in mind when you are using the Walmart grocery pickup service. So yeah, anyways, I'm heading home now, and I'm gonna be putting away my groceries and probably doing a quick Walmart grocery haul. I figured I haven't done like a full grocery haul in a long time. I don't think I've done a Walmart one ever, honestly. I do a lot of Aldi hauls, and I've done a few Wegmans hauls, but I have not done a Walmart grocery haul. I'm actually starting to eat a little bit healthier, so you probably can consider this a healthy grocery haul. I'm following a fairly new to me diet plan. I hate calling it a diet plan because I don't like to consider myself on a diet, because I just think it's a matter of making healthy and smart changes in the way that you cook and prepare your foods. So I've been kind of off the deep end for quite a while when it comes to my eating, and my weight has been fluctuating up and down about 5 pounds, and I really want to make a conscious effort to what I'm putting in my body and when I'm putting it in my body, and drinking more water, etc. So yeah, so if you want to check out that healthy grocery haul from Walmart, it'll be over on the main channel. I will link it in the card above and the description box below. There's probably going to be a ton of videos uploaded like all at once, because the fact that I'm doing the review for the Walmart grocery pickup, I also want to do the grocery haul, and then I also want to have this vlog uploaded. So probably everything will be uploaded at some point in time today, so that's kind of exciting. Anyways, I will check back with you guys in a little while and see what else is up. So I told you guys that I have been really sucking at vlogging. It's now the next day, shocker, and so I'm gonna finish up this vlog, but before I go, I wanted to show you guys, I recorded some footage of, I'm sorry for this light, I recorded some footage of my Boxy Charm that I got in March, and I'm still struggling with back and forth with them on customer support. Now, I had signed up for the Boxy Luxe, and I thought I had paid for it. I'm gonna have to go back through my transactions through my bank account, but when I logged into my Boxy Charm, it told me that I was renewed on the Luxe through like June 1st was gonna be my next charge. I think what happened was at the beginning of March, I was having a problem with my debit card. Somebody had hacked it, and I had to cancel it and get a brand new card. When Boxy Charm tried to process the payment, they sent me an email. I immediately went on, I immediately changed it to another card, and it said the change was successful. But when they sent me the Boxy this month, it was only the regular Charm box, it wasn't the Luxe box. So still trying to find out why I didn't get the Luxe. Not that it's the end of the world, but I just want to make sure I wasn't charged that additional fee, you know, since I didn't actually receive that box. So I wanted to show you guys what I got this month in my Boxy Charm box. I don't normally do unboxings, you know, on my main channel or whatever, but I wanted to show you guys on the vlog channel what I got this month. I already took these out of the package. I got these two gorgeous brushes. I got this nice lip gloss lip topper from Orza. This I was really excited to get. This is a age-defying exfoliator from Dr. Brandt. I got this gorgeous vintage lip pencil, and then the final thing is this awesome Color FX palette. I love the packaging on this, but check this out. This has everything you could ask for. It has highlighter, contour, finishing powder, there's a brightener, and then another highlighter and a blush. I absolutely love this, and I love the design they have on their palettes. So that's what I got this month in my Boxy Charm. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog for today. I am actually on my way into the office to go to a weekly networking meeting that I host. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks a lot for coming along with me. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm gonna chat with you in my next vlog. Bye, guys.